Okay, welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. If there's anything you want to say, make sure you say it. I'll watch out for it. So we would want to look at EURJPY for this week. So with what I'm seeing here, we can see that this price is kind of like a range market move, right? We can take a look at this eyes to be the resistance. This place will be taken to be the resistance, and this will be taken to be the support. So basically we are expecting a drop. So this drop, is it over? Definitely not. I'll be expecting this drop at least to a level of 137.943. Let's say a level of 137. Currently we are trading at 140. So that is to tell you that we still have more drop to be made on euro JPY. So down to the daily time frame. So this I'll see it as a correction, right? So this is a drop. If you have to go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see a correction is playing out here. So you can see it, a correction is playing out here. So once this correction plays out by tapping this 10 period simple moving average, I believe another drop will play out. So basically this week we will be expecting a bearish move on euro JPY. First, this correction which is playing out needs to be over. Once it is over, another good amount of drop will play out. So we need to be very, very careful on this EURJPY. So watch out for a bearish move, watch out for a drop. So once this correction is over, another drop will play out. So let's see what this 1-hour time frame is saying. So you can see it, price is getting weaker at this level, right? So anytime soon we will start getting that drop on euro JPY. So that is it for this week. Now if in case you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, I'm going to put a link to that channel. So once you sign up, you'll be able to get access to those trades. I mean, if you're having trouble growing up your account, or you're actually having, I'm sure many of you are actually blowing up your accounts, you are blowing up your account multiple times. Why don't you just become one of my Patreon subscribers? Try it a month, give it a try for just a month. I'm going to give you good trade, right? So good trade that you are going to make, back. You are going to just give it a try for just a month. I'm going to give you high probability trade. Once there's a good setup, I'm going to share it with you. So you actually go ahead and take that trade with us.